Put out your lap bar for me.
Oh, there's a lap bar. Oh, there's a lap bar. There's a lap bar.
Come here.
There's a lap bar.
Bye. See ya. Adios.
Enjoy the ride. Let me know what the gifts are there. See, there's already a difference. Yeah. Here we go.
Left lead, only later, Walt and Br'er Rabbit and check that Br'er Rabbit for good. I hear tell Br'er Rabbit's leaving his bra patch. I say he's heading for trouble.
That's not, we're not, we don't go down there. So maybe we do.
We don't need jump.
Oh, stop. This is part of fun. Get the arms up. Get the arms up, please. You're not going to fall.
No, we're gonna get soaked. I saw how the water goes. Our phones are gonna get damaged. Is it worth it?
This is peaceful up here. I like it. You dig it? I dig it up here.
So you're saying hold your phone high. Oh, great. Look at all that,
That's what we know. Pretty good show as you're born. Pretty good show as you're born. How do you do? Fine, how are you? Hey, come on.
Nice seeing you.
Pretty good show as you're born. It's time to be moving along. Time to be moving along.
Looking for a little adventure.
Looking for a little more adventure. Here we go. A little bit of movement. I'm looking for a little more adventure. Time to be moving along.
Look yonder, there goes Br'er Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear, as usual. Look yonder, there goes Br'er Rabbit.
What you doing up there?
Hey y'all, hold up there. I want to see this here music plays on Br'er Rabbit.
Laughing is how we spend our day. Hiding bodies, what we make. Boy, are we in love.
I can't see this.
I didn't say this was your laughing place, Bear Bear. I said it was mine, and I'm laughing. Bear Bear, you know
Oh, there's another drop? Because we don't go here. Maybe we do.
Let me loose, Bear Fox. Let me go.
Looking for a laughing place, eh? We'll show you a laughing place. Time to be turning around. If only you could. Everybody's got a laughing place. Maybe this one is yours. And will you see that old Br'er Rabbit?
Well, Brer Rabbit, fix all this cactus.
Go ahead, Bear Fox. Give me your lights.
Well, Brer Rabbit, fix all this cactus.
Hey, you be both. Stand at my side.
My eyes.
You did good.
So the whole phone got wet except the
Not
camera.
bad, was it?
No? Yeah, my camera's fine.
Man, Thunder Mountain's worse than this, isn't it? Yeah.
That was a perfect view. We don't have that view. Oh, my camera's so cool. I can probably. My camera's so cool. Like, but you can see good. Oh, I made it better. That's all. Another. Oh, that's gonna get us up. Of course, they would screw us over like that. Good job, Disney. We weren't fed enough. You let us more. I take back everything I said.
No wonder.